Voice control can be used to operate functions of your BMW with spoken commands. You can activate voice control by pressing the button on the steering wheel. With BMW Connected Drive, artificial intelligence processes your voice commands in the cloud, making your intelligent voice assistant even smarter.
Call John Smith.
BMW's intelligent voice assistant with off-board voice processing understands natural speech, so you don't have to remember any specific commands.
Good morning, John. How are you? Did you get to the airport?
For seamless operation of intelligent voice assistant, both an active subscription and good cellular reception are required. You can also activate Siri on your paired iPhone by long pressing the voice control button on the steering wheel. Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.